What's up, everybody? It's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2003 Honda Goldwing. It's the GL 1800. I'm gonna take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. This is a nice bike. We just got it in, and we're gonna start here in the rear tire. As you can see, tons of tread left on that rear tire. I'm gonna call that like 80 or 90%. So a lot of life left there. Coming up here, of course, you have your two exhausts sticking out. Got your license plate mount there, your tail lights and turn signals, and also your brake lights up here in the tour pack. Just in case you really wanted a Hatteras Island sticker, there it is. That is included, no cost. Do have a scratch right here under the brake light on the tour pack that I wanted to point out. And there's just some other, there's some very, very light little marks in here that I wanted to point out. All in all, this bike's in pretty nice shape, but I mean, it is a 2003, so it's over a decade old. It's got like 50,000 miles on it, which is nothing for a Goldwing, but it has been ridden. Of course, you got your CV whip there, or your antenna. This does have the like the fold away, so if you're pulling into your garage, you can, or putting it on a trailer or something, you got that. There you go. Here on the side of the bags, we got a little mark right here. And we got a scratch right here I want to point out there. There you go. The chrome is nice. You can see the exhaust there. That's in good shape. Of course, you have your passenger floorboard. Got your Goldwing there on the side panel. Got your rider peg. Got your rear brake. I know some of you guys that watch all these videos, I said stop pointing everything out. Unfortunately, I'm gonna keep doing that because that's for someone who's interested in this particular motorcycle. I want them to see each and every piece, even if it seems obvious or stupid. I want to point all those things out. So there's that. Of course, you can see your heads there. Got the 1800 on the heads of the motor. Got this front fairing. This little like chip right there at my pointer finger. And you got a slight scratch mark here on the side of the mirror. Spin this thing around. There's that. As you can see there, you got your headlights and you get your turn signals there in the back of the mirror. Got the slip streamer windshield. There is the front fender here. Got a little mark there that just came off, wiped it off with my finger. And I got a little like chip scratch thing going on right there. This one does have the auxiliary lights, which is a nice feature. There you can see the front wheel, see those front brakes, those fork tubes going up into the front fairing. There you go. Let's look at the other side. Front brakes over here. There's that. There's your front tire. Front tire's in good shape. It's not quite as new as the back one. I'm gonna call it maybe like 60%, but it still is in nice shape. So there's that. There you go. There's that front fairing. Of course, you have your heads there again with the Honda 1800 on them. All the stuff's in decent shape. Got some light little like fading or a little scuff in there. It's not bad, but it is there. As you can see, you have your rider peg, got your shifter, got your passenger floorboards. Of course, you have your Goldwing and your side panel there. All that. There's your like preload adjustments and all headlight adjustments and stuff. There's the bag. Got a little mark right there, a little white mark. And got another mark right there. So there's that. Of course, you have your passenger intercom there. Let's do the seat. Of course, you have this nice big backrest. Got your rear speakers here and here. Got those two little compartments. They're nice. The seat's in nice shape, big, comfy passenger seat, big, comfy rider seat. Got a little bit of back support there for the rider. Of course, you have your fuel cap under here. Got all your radio controls. As you can see, the gauges there. Obviously, you have a clutch. You have all these like CB controls, volume controls, you know, turn signals, mute, horn, all that stuff. Of course, over here you have your throttle and your front brake, your kill switch up here, and you have the cruise control and the reverse and all that stuff. Like I said, this bike has a little over 51,000 miles on it. We're gonna look at that right now. There you can see 51,485. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube. Great way to see this thing out on the road. Fire this up. There's that. Make sure these turn signals work. Start here in the front. There's your front mirror on that side. Front signal, I mean. And there's your front signal on this side. Jump in the back. There's the same side in the back. And there's the other side in the back. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2003 Honda Goldwing GL 1800. Like 51,000 miles on it. We priced the move. Make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube, and also check the bike out at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.